All right, finally got my fans installed. I got multiple remotes, but they're all wired up to this one single switch. So, and these are 100-inch diameter fans. Two of them have light kits, one of them doesn't. They're pretty nice fans. I'm pretty happy with them. They hang down 4 feet from the 16-foot ceiling. I had to fab the things. They're actually not hanging 4 feet. They're hanging 45 inches because I needed the length for the wire, but they're all up. They're all installed. I'm pretty happy with them. They all work on just this one switch, so there we go. They come on. And currently they're 6-speed fans, so they've got 0 through high speed, and they take a while to get started because it's a 100-inch fan. There's a lot of torque to move those blades, but yeah, eventually they get going. This is, like I said, they're 6-speed fans, and currently this is speed 1, and speed 1 is plenty to cool the shop. Gets the Spanky Speed Shop sign starts flying around. But yeah, it's they're up. This one looks terrifying. Looks like you're gonna cut your head off, but you're really not. You got enough room to climb up the ladder there. But so yeah, got fans.